Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a busy couple weeks or month or however long I've been since the last time I've done it, so I haven't had much time to figure out DWM. So I'm going to try to make time to figure it out so I can finish off uh, showing you guys how to, set it up and configure it and all that. But in this video, I thought I'd show you how to install and configure the Tor network, but more in a daemon. So if you don't know what Tor is, it's an open source implementation of onion routing that provides free access to an anonymous proxy network. So its whole goal is for a person to become anonymous online and will protect you against traffic analysis. So if you don't know what onion routing is, it's just a technique for anonymous communication over computer networks. So like in an onion, you have different access points and different exit nodes and stuff like that throughout the world, and that it layers up. So if you think you can find a person, say in New York, but uh, his exit nodes in, say, France. So I do have this installed, but I'll show you the steps that I took to get this installed. So uh, I also did this on my Fedora machine. So most package managers should have this in its thing. And if it doesn't, you can go to the Tor site. I'll have a link below, but I'll open this up. So if you do a sudo pacman-s, just say TOR for Tor, and then you just put in password here. So all you need is just the Tor. Then if we go back to ArchWiki, there are ways to do this in chroot. You can do this as an HTTP proxy. You can do it for Pacman, Iracy, Tor Bridge, Tor Relay, stuff like that. Tor Exit Node, I wouldn't suggest that because some traffic could come to your IP address. So it's up to you. You can also do a Tor DNS, Torify. So there's a bunch of stuff to do it, but all I'm going to be doing is setting this as a daemon. So it has been installed. So once it's installed, you'd want to go to your etc/tor, and then there's a Tor RC file. So if you want to go into there, so the only thing that you have to do is find a line that says run as daemon, and you want to put it as 0. And then all you'd want to do is save it and close, but you want to make sure also that your user equals nothing unless you're using this as root. So it shouldn't come back with a username or whatever you use. So we'll close this out. And now if you are using systemd, it would be sudo systemctl start tor.service. So it has started, and then you would also want to enable it. So let's see what my status is here. So as you can see, it is running right now. So the next thing I want to show you is, just because you have this set up doesn't mean you would need to pipe it through Firefox or Chrome. So I usually use Firefox. So you want to go up to your tools, edit, preferences. You want to go to advanced. You want to go to network. So under the connection, you want to go settings. And then you want to click on manual proxy configuration, and under the socks host you want to type in localhost, and then for your port you want to be 950. So once you say OK, you would want to go into a new tab. It's going to be about and then /config, and then you want to go into, let me get the proper, so you want to go into the network.proxy. Here, so let me show this where this is. So you want to go into the network.proxy.socks underscore remote underscore DNS. Initially this is false, so you just want to click it and to do true. So if you don't have it running, if you have Firefox running already, then you would want to restart it. So what it will look like once you sign into Google, it's going to have you type in what do these letters mean, stuff like that. And then as you can see, it comes, I'm in Deutschland. So to see if this is working, I'm just going to do an ifconfig here. And then my config setting, is 192.168.0.9. But if we go into Google here and say find my IP, it's stating that my exit node, that I'm on the Tor exit node, and that my IP address is 89.163, as you can see here. So it is quite interesting, this whole process. I am enjoying it. Just note that this only works in IPv4 as of right now, but I am sure that they are working on trying to do this for IPv6 eventually, because IPv4 addresses are exhausted. So I'm sure they're working on trying to get IPv6 working through Tor. So that is all I have for this video. Again, once I try to find time to finish off the DWM series, I will. It's just been busy with my son and work and everything. So plus I recently acquired a new computer, so let me know if you want me to do some Linux reviews. I can start doing those since I have a spare laptop, or if you want me to show you how to do a OpenVPN server or a file server or whatever that you guys want to see, I could do it on there and show you the steps that I did. So just comment below, let me know what you would like to see, and I'll see you guys in the next video.